I'm B. Thanks for stopping by Ambrosia Yoga. This week I've got a little Yoga for Snowboarders video, so this is actually a series I'll be doing, so stay tuned and subscribed if you want to stay up to date on all these little classes. So this week we'll be working on strengthening and exercising those muscles that we use in snowboarding, and this is great for everyone. You don't have to be a snowboarder. We'll also be doing a little balance. So when you're ready, let's get started in mountain pose. Stand here with the four corners of your feet rooted into the earth. You can close your eyes if you'd like. Rotate your pinkies in. Take an inhale. Exhale your hands down to heart center. Take a couple breaths here just to get started and grounded in our flow. Let's take a big inhale, filling up your lungs to the tippy top. Exhale, let it go. Take another deep inhale, filling up. Exhale, sigh it out. One more big inhale, flutter open your eyes. Open mouth, exhale, let your hands drift down towards your side. Inhale, return to mountain, breathe here for a moment. Relax your shoulders. Take an inhale. Exhale, side body stretch to the right. Stay here for a moment, breathing into your left side body. You can bring your left leg behind your right. If you want to deepen in for a nice little curtsy, you can deepen into the stretch. And then inhale, return to mountain. Exhale, side body stretch to the left, open up. You can take the curtsy if you did on the other side. And just breathe into it. These lateral stretches are awesome for snowboarding since we're in this horizontal position the whole time. Inhale, return to mountain. Exhale, baby back bend. Open up your chest and bring your elbows wide. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold, drip down. Inhale, halfway lift. Breathe into this for a moment, pressing into your shins or thighs and pulling your shoulder blades together while gazing down to create a flat back. Take an inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, chair pose. Breathe here for a minute. Peek down at your knees to make sure you can still see your toes and send most of your weight to your heels so your toes could even lift off the earth. Sink a little lower in your seat. Stay here. Feel your glutes and quads working for you. Take an inhale. Exhale, chair plane. Pull your shoulder blades together. Bring your arms back and reach your chest forward. We'll flow through this a few times. Inhale up to chair. Exhale, chair plane or drinking bird if you want to come up onto your tippy toes and fly. Inhale, chair, drop your heels. Exhale, chair plane or drinking bird. Inhale, chair. You might lose your balance a little. Just be kind to yourself. And know that everything is a work in progress. Keep breathing, inhaling through chair, exhaling through chair plane. On this next one, inhale, half staff. Bring your right knee to a 90-degree bend. Flex your foot and just breathe here for a moment. Staying strong in your left leg. Take an inhale. Exhale, chair plane or drinking bird. Inhale, half staff on the left this time. Bring your leg to that 90-degree bend and flex your foot. Breathe here for a moment, playing with your balance, just like we do on the mountain when we're on our boards. Take an inhale. Exhale, chair plane. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, baby back bend. Bring your elbows wide. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Float down. Inhale, halfway lift. Reset your spine. Exhale, ball of yarn pose. Another little balancing pose. You can keep your heels on the earth. If you want to come up onto your tippy toes, you can keep your hands tented alongside of you, or maybe play with your balance a little more, grabbing a hold of your shins. And then tucking your chin into your knees. Stay here for a moment, playing with your balance. And then inhale your hips high. Exhale your heels to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift to reset your spine once again. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, chair pose. Breathe here. Exhale, chair, planer, drinking bird. Inhale, chair. Exhale, chair, plane. Inhale, chair. Keep going at your own pace. These are great for your balance and shifting your weight from your heels to your toes, just like we do on our boards. Great for your calves, muscles, and legs all together. We'll do a couple more. Exhaling through chair. Inhale, chair. Exhale, chair, plane. Inhale, half staff on the right. Exhale, standing figure four. Bring your right leg across your left thigh, carefully avoiding your ankle joint, and then begin to sink down like you're in chair. You can bring your hands to heart center, or maybe come forward and sit in a little bit. Whatever feels good. And then inhale up into half staff. Exhale, chair, plane. Inhale, half staff. Bring your left knee to that 90-degree bend. Exhale, standing figure four. Remember to avoid your knee joint. Bring your hands to heart center and sink down in your chair. Breathe here for a moment. And inhale, half staff. Exhale, chair, plane. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, ball of yarn pose. Remember, you can play with your balance on your tippy toes. Maybe grab your shin. And then inhale your hips high. Exhale your heels to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, chair, planer, drinking bird. Inhale, chair. Exhale, chair, plane. Keep flowing to your own breath. Remember, you can keep your heels connected to the earth or work your calves a little more, shifting onto your tippy toes. Inhale, chair. Exhale, chair, plane. Inhale, half staff. Bring your right knee high once again. Exhale, full airplane. Send your right leg back. Pull your shoulder blades in toward one another. Reach your back leg high and flex your foot. Lift your chest. And stay balanced in your left leg. Inhale, half staff. Come forward once again. Exhale, chair plane. Let's do it all on the left. Inhale, half staff on the left side. Bring your left leg to that 90-degree bend. Exhale, full airplane. Stay balanced in your right foot. Flex your back foot and bring your shoulder blades to touch. Reach your body upward and create one long line from the top of your head to the end of your toes. Take an inhale, begin to come forward, back up into half staff. Exhale, chair plane. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing at attention pose. Samastitihi. Stay here for a moment as we close out this little sequence together. There's more to come, so stay tuned and subscribe to stay up to date with the rest of this Yoga for Snowboarding sequence. Working on your balance, shifting your weight, strengthening your glutes and thighs and core. Thank you all for being here today. Namaste.